I am Resham and you're watching Redown Films and Entertainment. Firstly, welcome back to our channel. So, have you subscribed to our channel? If not, then do it now. And do not forget to share this video as well as the other videos on our channel. So, this is the latest episode of Level Up with Resham. And like we know कि ये आपको टाइटल देख के भी समझ आ ही गया होगा that this is again an unboxing video. और फिर से नायका का ही पैकेट है. आप सोच रहे हो कि सिर्फ नायका से ही सामान खरीदती है. नहीं, मैं और सबसे भी खरीदती हूँ और ब्रांड से भी खरीदती हूँ, बट उसके लिए आपको हमारी वीडियोस देखनी पड़ेंगी. सो जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. सो लाइक यू नो कि हमारी फर्स्ट सैलरी होल्ड्स अ वेरी स्पेशल प्लेस इन एवरीवन्स लाइफ. लाइक एग्री विद मी? ऑफ कोर्स यू डू. सो लाइक मैंने अपनी सैलरी का कुछ पोर्शन आई did save. Of course, saving is very important. And then I bought some small stuff for my friends, my family. And then जो थोड़ा पार्ट था, अपनी सेल्फ पैम्परिंग भी तो ज़रूरी है ना. तो मैंने नायका पे कुछ चीज़ें मेरे विश लिस्ट में पहले से ही थी. बट लेट मी टेल यू, ये जो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, I've never used these products. This is like the first time I'm going to unbox it, of course, and I'm also going to try it for the first time. So let's see if they are going to be a yay or a nay. So let's jump in. और हाँ, इसके जो सारे रिव्यूज़ होंगे वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी. बट लेट्स सी फॉर नाउ ये कैसे इसके रिव्यूज़ जो मैंने ऑनलाइन पढ़े हैं उसके हिसाब से आई कैन ऑब्वियसली टेल यू हाउ दे टर्न आउट टू बी. So the first one is this one. This is an eyeliner from Blue Haven, and let me tell you कि I'm not a very eyeliner person, but I thought कि अगर मैं ले भी रही हूँ, you should always have an eyeliner in your makeup pouch. So of course I had to have it, and of course मैं ज़्यादा उस पर ज़्यादा spend नहीं करना चाहती थी. So I bought a very cheap one, but I've read the reviews and they're very good, and it's just for $150. So I think it's a must try. You must also read the reviews, and I think you can give it a try. So yeah, that's the first one. The next 2 and 3 products are roll-ons from Rexona. I am a big perfume and a roll-on person. I think इतनी गर्मी है दिल्ली में and you have to have roll-ons. It's like you just need it, girl. And मतलब I have tried the Nivea one, the Dove one, but they didn't really work for me. But some of my friends, my girlfriends, really recommended me the Rexona ones, and they're like very cheap as well, and it works very well for them. So I'm sure it's gonna work good for me as well. So I think you should give it a try, and it's for $70 per bottle. So yeah, that's a good deal. The next one is a tea tree oil. So girls, I am a person who loves essential oils. Like I think it's my thing. I'm sure all of you are into skin care, hair care. तो यार उसके लिए essential oils तो of course ज़रूरी होते हैं. So I have rosemary oil, I have jojoba oil, I have vitamin E oil. But एक जो मेरे पास नहीं था, I also have lavender oil by the way. नहीं था was the tea tree oil. It smells very good. इससे वो मेहंदी की बहुत स्मेल नहीं आती. I don't like मेहंदी की स्मेल, but yeah. But of course, and just letting you know कि ये जो essential oils होते हैं आप ये directly नहीं लगाते हो. Of course, I hope you know about it. You of course mix it in a carrier oil, like आप coconut oil या फिर almond oil में mix करके, और वो भी ज़्यादा नहीं because फिर आपको irritation होगी. तो 1-2 drops लगा के you mix it and then you apply it on your face or maybe your hair. And ज़्यादा please मत लगाना. And let me tell you कि tea tree oil is really good for your acne and your, in case you have any allergies, ये skin irritation हो रही है, कहीं बहुत allergies हो रही है, तो tea tree oil is a must try. So अभी तो actually मुझे कोई allergies and touchwood pimple ये सब नहीं है, touchwood, but I think you should always have it in your vanity. And हाँ, of course मेरे legs में थोड़ी कोई allergy हो गई थी, तो I thought why should I not mix it with some maybe coconut oil. ज़्यादा नहीं, 1-2 drops, and also for your hair. तो I think इसकी smell भी बहुत ज़्यादा amazing है. तो you should give it a try, and a must try. So पहले I'll try it and I will let you know about the results ASAP. so give it a try for sure. The next one, okay, so yeah, this is not a product that I ordered, but a sample that I got from Lakme. It's a CC cream in the beige. Beige is the color, and I got a sample. It has just one pouch, of course, and it's a CC complexion care cream. So वैसे तो ये sample है, but I've always wanted to try the Lakme CC cream. So I think I will give this also a try, and I'll let you know कि कैसा होता है, and maybe it will work for me because I don't want to. I'm not really a foundation person now. Mostly a concealer or BB cream or CC cream. So I will give it a try and let you know. So yeah, and then okay, this is something that my mom recommended me. She has it, and I have tried it once, and मुझे इतनी पसंद आई कि I bought it, and now I'm going to use it like forever. It's a lip gloss. It's the NYX butter gloss in the shade Tiramisu, and girls, it's a must try. I think you should try it. मतलब मैंने इसका I don't really own it, like पहले मेरे पास नहीं था, but then my mom bought it and it looked amazing on her. And of course आप ये gloss, I think every girl should have a gloss. I think it makes your lip look fuller, and it gives that extra shine, and it just adds up to your makeup and makes your makeup look flawless. Of course, I'm a lipstick person. Everyone who's into makeup is a lipstick person, I believe. And Tiramisu is one of the best lip gloss I have come across. And पहले तो आप कोई normal nude shade of lipstick लगा लो, and then you go for this. It is amazing. And whenever next time if I apply it, then of course I'm going to show it to you. Abhi ke liye you can see the picture over here, and I think it's a must try. You should go for it, and it's a butter gloss. And yeah, just one thing that I want to add up कि जब मैं एक shoot पे गई थी, and there was a makeup artist who advised me that if your lips are like very small or very thin like mine, then आपको एक बार lip gloss लगा लो ना, तो it makes your lips very fuller, like I said, and पूरा ना एक जैसे dazzling look दे देता है. तो I think of course apply nude lipstick and apply this or any other color that goes with the skin tone. आप NYX के और butter glosses के shades भी देख सकते हो, maybe in browns. This is like a pink, dark pink color, so you can go accordingly. And like a personal tip, a beauty tip from my side, always apply lip gloss. Yes, lip balm, lipstick, lip gloss, that's the order. Go for it. Okay, so that was it. अरे नहीं, जो मेरा मेजर प्रोडक्ट है जिसके लिए मैंने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इसके साथ मंगवाए, द वन थिंग दैट आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू ट्राई इज दिस. ऑलरेडी ओपन डेट, मतलब मुझे चेक करना था कि इफ इट्स वर्किंग और नॉट. तो इट्स दिस, मतलब आई कुडंट वेट. इट्स द आइकॉनिक स्ट्रेटनर. सो माई हेयर आर डैम बेबी, लाइक दे आर डैम बेबी, डैम कर्ली. मतलब बचपन में तो दे वर लाइक एक्सट्रीमली कर्ली, एंड अब तो वेव्स आ गए हैं, बट इससे अच्छा तो कर्ली रहते हैं. बट जो भी है, ये तो फिर मेरे दुख हो गया. बट या जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो कि this is the iconic Glam Professional Straightener. It's the ceramic plates with iconic technology, slim floating plates, guarantee perfect alignment, heats up to 230 degrees Celsius, adjustable temperature settings. So because I am into straightening, I've never done like heat treatments, keratin, smoothing. I've never got any of that. Plus I've never got my hair colored. My hair are natural black, and I don't want to get color. I'm not really into all that. But yes, of course I am into straightening my hair, but मुझे permanent नहीं करवाना, because मुझे इतने अच्छे feedbacks नहीं मिले हैं लोगों से for some reason. I don't know, मेरे साथ ही होता है. तो मैंने कभी परमानेंट, आई डेंट गो फॉर दैट थिंग. मतलब आई ऑलवेज थॉट कि केराटिन करवा लूँ ये, बट फिर मुझे इतना अच्छा फीडबैक नहीं मिला. एंड सो आई एम मोस्टली इनटू स्ट्रेटनिंग माई हेयर. आई डोंट ओवर डू इट कि हर 2 दिन में आप कर रहे हो, बट कहीं इन केस हैव टू शूट, एंड कहीं यू हैव टू गो फॉर अ पार्टी, यू हैव टू मीट अप, या कोई ऐसी बहुत ही अच्छा गैदरिंग है, देन ऑफ कोर्स आई स्ट्रेटन माई हेयर. सो उसके लिए you want a good straightener, because यार बालों की बात है, obviously want to reduce the damage. So for that, first I had the Philips straightener. It was good, but it's not doing its job the way I wanted it to, because उससे मेरे हेयर बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो रहे हैं, I believe, I don't know, for some reason, and people are raving about the Iconic. Of course Dyson आजकल बहुत चल रहा है, but I think it's too pricey, too pricey, and I don't really want to go for that. But of course it's very good, मतलब वो डैमेज कम करता है, तो I was एक बार था कि मैं वो ले लूँ क्या, बट नहीं, इतना ज़्यादा तो I really don't want to. So I bought this Iconic Glam straightener. So this costed me for 2,500. It was in discount, and मतलब इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस was 3,000, बट डिस्काउंट पे I got it for 2,500. इसका एक और स्ट्रेटनर था. It had more broader, like you can see, it had more broader plates, but मुझे एक तो पहले इसका प्राइस was fine, and थोड़ी पतली थी, तो मुझे लगा कि I want those thin plates कि मैं एक सेक्शन को आराम से कर सकूँ. ब्रॉडर में मैं इतना नहीं कर पाती. So I'll just show you how it looks. Just a second. So that's a little part of it. It has very thin plates, and अभी तक मैंने इसको नहीं यूज़ किया है, मैंने बस इसको हीट करके I just wanted to see if it's working. So इसके रिव्यूज़ बहुत अच्छे हैं, and I've personally heard कि Iconic के मतलब स्ट्रेटनर्स, कर्लर्स, क्रिम्पलर्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. So I looking, मतलब I think 2 साल से मैं सोच रही थी, बट somewhat मैं नहीं ये ख़रीद पा रही थी. बट नाउ आई फाइनली बॉट इट, एंड इसकी लाइक आजकल तो सारे स्ट्रेटनर्स का एडजस्टेबल हीट होती है. सो लेट्स सी, आई हैव एक्चुअली सॉ अ लॉट ऑफ hair stylists also use these kind of straighteners, like the Iconic straighteners. So I thought, why not give it a try? So yeah, that was it. And ये सारे मैंने आपको प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में तो बता दिया, बट लेट्स सी इफ इट्स अ ये और अ ने. लाइक आई सेड, लेट मी यूज़ इट फॉर at least 10 days, 15 days, and then I will get back to you. तो अगर आपको हमारा आज का सेगमेंट पसंद आया, then please do like, share and subscribe to Redon Films and Entertainment. And if you want me to make such videos, like give you my reviews, and अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं जल्दी से इन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को रिव्यू करूँ and let you know about it, then please write it in the comment box below. Share this video and keep watching Redon Films and Entertainment.